Thick, gray mud pours out of the mill. The rock has been reduced to particles smaller than sand grain.
While dangerous, this chemical is the only thing that can persuade the noble metal to dissolve into the water, separating it from the waste rock.
They float and mix with the gray mud. These porous beads act like sponges, specifically designed to absorb the dissolved gold.
The mixture is passed over a vibrating sieve. The gray waste mud falls through, but the black carbon beads remain on top.
Before immersion, it looks like a bundle of fine gray steel filaments. This inexpensive material serves as the trap or surface onto which the gold will plate.
When the press opens, solid cakes of dark brown clay fall into a tray. It looks like potting soil, but it is worth millions.
The voltage is stabilizing right on schedule.
Good, the immersion looks complete.
High-pressure wash cycle. The gold crystals are blasted with deionized water to remove any remaining acid. The water runoff clear.
This lubricant ensures the gold won't stick to the mold and will pop out with a smooth finish.
The crucible load. The weighed gold granules are poured into a small, pristine graphite crucible. They clatter like coins.
This is the clean melt. Unlike the dirty mine melt, this is pure. The solid metal becomes a swirling,
macro focus on the purity mark. The camera zooms in on the fresh indentation. The numbers 999.9 are stamped deep and sharp.
The serial numbering process. Unlike the main logo, the unique serial number is often applied differently.
Thermal camera visualization. The strip glows dull red inside the oven. We see the internal stress lines fading away into a
The coiling mechanism. The long, continuous strip of 24K gold is wound onto a spool. It looks like a giant...
A red laser beam scans the moving gold strip, measuring the thickness to the micron. If the strip is too thick, it... The annealing 2.0 process. The punching and rimming made the gold hard again. The blanks are poured onto a mesh belt and travel through a... After heating, the blanks might have slight discoloration. They tumble into a citric acid bath. Bubbles rise. High-speed centrifugal drying. The wet, shiny blanks are spun in a dryer to remove water instantly. If water dries naturally, it...
The finished card passes under a black light. Invisible ink glows bright blue, revealing the refiner's logo watermark.
Macro focus on the stack. The bars are stacked in a crisscross pattern on heavy-duty pallets. The sheer weight would crush a normal wooden pallet. The scratch test reveals the true nature of the metal beneath the decades of dust. Pure, unoxidized gold.
The spooling process. The invisible wire is wound onto a white ceramic spool at high speed. The machine sensors monitor tension.
The chip bonder. A robotic capillary arm descends rapidly, striking the silicon wafer surface like a woodpecker, 20 times per second. The loop formation. After bonding the ball, the machine pulls the wire up and over to the lead frame, creating a perfect microscopic arch. Alternative application, space visor deposition. Inside a vacuum chamber, a gold pellet is vaporized. The purple
The hammer blows must be perfectly flat. If the hammer tilts even 1 degree, the gold will tear instead of stretching. Pins. They are plated with gold. This is the target. The green plastic and black chips are just obstacles.
The shredded mix moves into a furnace. The plastic burns away, captured by filters to prevent pollution. What remains? The black ash is submerged in a fuming orange acid.
A specific chemical, sodium metabisulfite, is added to the green liquid. Brown clouds of gold powder magically appear.
The gold atoms are the same, just changing owners and shapes across centuries.
It is noble, dense, and resistant to corrosion. It is the chemical king.
The gold reflects infrared light perfectly, allowing us to see the origins of the universe.
Buy XAU right now, it's breaking out.
We're going parabolic, get me 50,000.
This is the anchor when everything else is falling apart.
The small cube is heavier. This visualizes the incredible density, 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter.
The cabot dover. A circuit is closed with a gold wire. This is the universal symbol of purification, going through the fire to come out pure.
We zoom into the atomic structure. A nucleus of 79 protons, surrounded by
100% of the water is recycled. 100% of the dust is captured. Modern gold production strives to balance